Hello. Welcome back to Python tutorial. From scratch. In this video we will understand rules for declaring variables in Python. Variables are name given to memory location. Rules for declaring variables. Variables can only begin with $$ or a letter. Cannot use reserved keyword while declaring variables. Variable names cannot start with numbers or spaces. Variables can be declared in uppercase or lowercase. Example for variable names: yet, India, x, y. Name. We are going to declare a variable a and assign value 5 to it. As you can see, when we run the program we can see 5 in console. Thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.